I've been inside thousands of homes fixing appliances. The most common dishwasher problem has a $0 fix that takes 5 minutes. It's the filter. 90% of dishwashers made after 2010 have a removable filter at the bottom. Most people have never cleaned it. It collects food particles, grease, and grime. After a year, it's completely blocked. Hot water can't circulate. Dishes come out dirty. Here's how. Pull out the bottom rack. Find the cylindrical filter. Twist it counterclockwise and lift it out. It will smell terrible. Rinse it under hot water and use an old toothbrush. While you're there, check the spray arms. Use a toothpick to clear any clogged holes. Put it back. Run a cycle with a cup of white vinegar on the bottom rack. Nothing else. Your dishwasher will run like new. If this doesn't fix it, your heating element might be gone. Drop a comment and I'll walk you through the next step.